ASO is a highly innovative and forward-thinking company that operates in the specialized field of safety technology. The company is fully dedicated and committed to making the world a much safer place by working closely with advanced robotic systems and cutting-edge technology. ASO has safe products in the field of sensor technology, which are based on two things. These are the tactile sensors, which need to be touched first, and the non-tactile ones. Whether you enter a department store, pass through gates at the airport, train passengers have often encountered us, or when you collaboratively create a product with robots, our product is installed everywhere. Therefore, we are actually represented everywhere, even though you might not necessarily notice or see us. My name is Helmut Friedrich. I am the owner of the company, the managing director, and mainly responsible for the product and production areas. For over 40 years, I have been responsible for ensuring that the company grows, thrives, and remains present and successful. The core of ASO is innovation because we rely on training our own staff and continuous development. That means we take in a lot of young and talented people and guide them carefully and diligently from their very start at ASO all the way up to executive positions.
My name is Daniel Verhoeven. I am the commercial managing director here at ASO, and I have been for more than 25 years now. When I started, we had 20 employees. That has now significantly changed to about 250 employees worldwide, with about 150 here at the Lippstadt location.
ASO customers can definitely expect us to cater to their needs, no matter what type of automation it involves. Our product is highly optimized and seamlessly integrated with our customers' product in such a beneficial way that it adds significant value to their product.
We like to call ourselves partner in performance, as that's what we want to be. We don't just want to sell anything. Of course, we definitely have to do that at the end of the day as well, but we absolutely want to be a partner who offers comprehensive assistance to the customer to identify a practical solution to effectively reduce their risk at their plant, gate, or machine.
Particularly during the crucial early stages of the development phase of new products. Because that's what always defines us, that we think along and want to be co-responsible for the customer's product and more.
We have our own development team. It is also often the case that we are on site with the customer at the facilities to see, okay, where are the safety risks that we need to solve?
Because what defines us is that we think along, we want to be jointly responsible for the customer's product, and that makes us all better and stronger together. There are also regulations, standards, and laws for this, and the added value is that we can already advise customers during the development of machines and systems. On the one hand, we are also involved in the development of standards and regulations, which means we know what is coming and can design our product accordingly so that it can be safely brought to market and sold and used throughout Europe and around the world in various fields and efficiently.
We produce many things from scratch here. How the product is then manufactured, that is, of course, our know-how. For example, we have our plastic extrusions, there are special tools, and you need to build up a certain new know-how.
As a small to medium-sized company, we once set out and said that what we have achieved in Germany, in Central Europe, being a market leader, should be a message beyond Europe and also beyond other regions and even further. Outside of Europe, we are represented by our locations in the USA and China, where we have our own production companies and produce locally for the market. That means we have people in the same time zone with the same language and the same culture, so we can offer service to our customers on site, just as we meticulously design it here from Lippstadt for Central Europe. Like him from New Jersey, USA, specifically into the American market, or Nanjing, China in particular, for the Asian market.
We are indeed the experts for these safety products. We definitely know how they need to function and how machines need to stop.
We pursue this in order to make the world a safer place and ensure that everyone can live in peace.
We are a fairly young team and will always find a solution that is exactly right for you.
What truly sets us apart is that we indeed build a bridge between technical products and people, and that is ASO.